name is Rupa Nampalli, realtor with Remax One. Before we dig into the real estate market, let's take a look at what's happening here in New Jersey. November saw the Dow Jones Industrial Average top 30,000 points for the first time, while mortgage rates reached new record lows again. These new records have provided encouragements for the buyers to move forward on home purchases, which continue to remain strong overall for the month. Single-family closed sales were up 30%. Townhouse condo closed sales were up almost 21%. Adult community sales were up 14%. Single-family median sales price increased by almost 21% to 405,000. Townhouse condo median sales price increased by 11.5% to 300,000. Adult communities median sales price increased by almost 20% to 260,500. Want to know how your neighborhood is doing? Call me at 732-397-9185 for more information. The housing market will enter 2021 blazing hot with off-the-charts demand and extreme shortage of homes for sale, while the risk for double-dip recession hovers in the background. Home sales and prices are expected to keep rising next year as coronavirus vaccines become available, the economy starts buzzing again, and the new president focused on housing takes the helm. Inventory will continue to grow. According to Mike Simonson, CEO of housing market analytics firm Altos Research, inventory has plunged to just under 469,000 single-family homes this month, down some 40% compared to the same time last year. While about 31% of the listings have gotten price reductions at the end of the year in previous years, current price reductions only stand at 26%. That's because demand has been off the charts. For houses on the market now, if they take a price cut, that means the demand is a little weaker and the price that is going to sell at in January or February is going to be lower. He also added that the prices are going to keep falling now through February as the fresh new inventory comes on, and we'll probably have a resumption of some normal market in the second quarter of 2021. Daniel Hill, the chief economist at Realtor.com, expects the home sales to continue growing, jumping 7% in 2021, and prices to continue rising to new highs, though at a slower pace than in 2020, increasing to 5.7%. As far as seasonality goes, we expect housing to be busier in spring like it normally is, and while fall will be strong, we don't expect it to match 2020's frenzied level of activity. Darrell Fairweather, the chief economist for Redfin, also predicted a strong year for home sales in 2021, even stronger than the 2020 has been. She anticipates low double-digit home sales growth close to 10%. There are a lot of people who may have wanted to move this year but were just too nervous. They didn't want to lose their homes during the pandemic, or they didn't want to list during uncertain economic times. It seems like next year the economy will be in better place than it was this year. With a vaccine on the horizon, we may even be able to open the economy, so that will lead to a lot more economic confidence among the home buyers, and more people will just be willing to enter into the home ownership with the recovery. Although on the flip side, we may probably also see slightly higher interest rates. In a forecast released on Tuesday, the Fannie Mae Economic and Strategic Group had more modest expectations, predicting a 2.8% rise in total home sales in 2021, after a 7.6% rise in 2020. The mortgage giant expects the median existing home price to rise by 4.1% next year to $302,000. What does Biden presidency bring in 2021? Realtor.com's Hale anticipates the Biden administration will likely focus its early efforts on keeping the coronavirus as contained as much as possible. Until vaccines are more widely available, This is one of the best ways to help the economy heal. Additionally, if a deal is not reached before January, ensuring that another stimulus package is available to support individuals and businesses while economic activity continues to lag as the vaccines are being rolled out will be a top priority. Beyond that, Biden has an ambitious policy agenda, and the impact on the economy will depend on what the administration prioritizes. Darren Fairweather noted that Biden has promised to invest $65 billion in building affordable homes, both for rental and for sale. This is a significant investment and will definitely help mitigate home price increase and rent increases. The biggest factors that will drive the housing market in 2021 are the age-old economic fundamentals of supply and demand. That means sellers will likely continue to have the upper hand. If the stimulus package is not approved in January to help individuals and businesses, the economy will continue to lag. The big picture is that the housing market with low interest rates is driving the current economy and helping push the home prices upward. If you're hesitant or on a fence to put your house on the market or purchase a home, please give me a call at 732-397-9185 or email me at rupa@ruparealtor.com so that we could discuss your options and get you the highest value possible or the best value possible for your home. Have a nice week ahead, and I wish you and your family a very happy, healthy, and prosperous New Year.